everyone, welcome to another episode of UnboxMe. Today we have SpongeBob SquarePants bowling set and we get 6 pins and 1 bowling ball. Let's open her up. So the first one is Mr. Krabs, who's so possessive about his restaurant. Mr. Krabs is a great character. And now we have SpongeBob! Look at his cheeks, gosh! And his eyes, they're bulging out. You could just pinch his cheeks, he's so cute. Then we have Patrick! He's my favorite SpongeBob character. He is so happy all the time. It's amazing. Look at him smile. And then we have SpongeBob again, who is looking very, very happy with a thumbs up. There you go, my thumbs up too. Thumbs up, SpongeBob! And then we have another SpongeBob who's doing a very funny dance of some sort with one leg in the air and funny hand movements, and look at him smile, dancing underwater. Last but not least, Squidward! He is obviously very afraid of what is going to happen when you throw the bowling ball towards him. He is going to fall down, and he knows it. And there's my bowling ball. Woo! There you go. 3 left. 2 left. 1 left. And I gave myself a thumbs up, and there I finished the whole round. Woo! 1 left. There I go. And you can even throw the bowling ball in this case because it's really light. And yay! 3 goes, 6 pins, not bad. 3 pins, 1 left. There you go. Woo! 2 thumbs up for me. Ooh, I didn't see what was behind that. Ooh, 2 left. There you go, finished. Ooh. For more unboxing videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more toys and lots of fun.